That's the money. That's the money. Okay, but like I that. No. I got 71,840. You just made me die on you. It's not your turn.
Oh, that is a 4-in-1 cleaning system.
Look at all the snow. Dang, look at all the snow.
Snowflake!
What? Guys, oh my god, it's snowing. It's finna snowing. It's snowing.
No, it's no rain, honey. It's snow.
Oh, it's not.
It is just snow.
Well, give me my pants so I can change.
Get out. Come look. I have no shoe on. Oh my gosh, you guys, it's snowing. Okay, so I just recorded on my phone. I know, I'm like a little kid, but you know what? I have not seen it snow in forever. And I made it. I made it. You guys, look how beautiful this is. OMG. Look at Jaden, it's snowing. Ozzy, it's snowing, Papa. Look it. Go, come on, look. Let's come over here real fast. You guys, it's snowing. Oh, he already fell. It's okay, get up. It's okay. Look at your head, it's all on your head. Okay, we gotta get you guys suited up. Oh my gosh, it's so freaking coming down. Alright. Alright guys, so we are here, not where we wanted to go, but because it's snowing so much, and I slid like twice, and it was really, really scary, I stopped. I pulled over and I stopped for the safety of the children.
Oh, no.
for the safety of the children.
My car
Pulled over.
too.
Yeah, that one just almost slid too. You guys, it is snowing more than what I thought it was going to snow. I don't know if you guys can see it, but yeah. It's getting a little crazy. All right, let's get, we're pretty much suited up. I unfortunately have one boot and one regular shoe. So we're gonna get them on and we're gonna go have a little bit of fun. I don't think I'm gonna take this phone. I think I'm gonna take the regular phone because I don't want it to get damaged with like the voice and stuff. So, okay you guys, this is what we're dealing with. This is so freaking beautiful. Like so absolutely beautiful. If you guys can't hear me, I'm sorry, but I'm covering the microphone so it doesn't damage it. Oh my God, so freaking pretty. I can't even catch it. That's so sad. So pretty.
country. 103 continuous country favorites and finally came down on music.
Yeah, push, push, push. Any justice? Well, look how snow packed it is. Oh my goodness. We're leaving actually this area because it's just, the snow is just coming too much. I mean, I'm standing here and look. My little cheeks are getting red. The kids' cheeks are getting red. We actually brought hot chocolate so we can, what do you call it? Have some hot chocolate and get them warm. In the car, we're gonna blast the heater, get them warm. None of the kids are wet, so that's a good thing. Their snow gear worked. But it is time to go. Let's go check out what the car looks like with all the snow. I mean, I'm standing here and look. My little cheeks are getting red. The kids' cheeks are getting red. We actually brought hot chocolate so we can, what do you call it? Have some hot chocolate and get them warm. In the car, we're gonna blast the heater, get them warm. None of the kids are wet, so that's a good thing. Their snow gear worked. But it is time to go. Let's go check out what the car looks like with all the snow. All snowy. Look at, oh my gosh, look how much actually accumulated from the wheels. That's crazy. Alright guys, so we stopped about an hour. Y'all had something to eat. And it's like snowing. So we just found out that was actually a snowstorm when we came up here. And look, it's snowing so much harder. It's crazy snowing. So I think we're gonna head back down and...
No, I can't!
Hey, do we need to complain?
How can you not buckle this up?
What do you guys think of the snow? What do you think though?
Wait. The boy has to...
Yeah, it's gonna be snowing over there too. But what do you think about the snow falling down? So cold, huh?
Awesome.
It's super awesome. What do you think, Ray? It's pretty cool, huh? I like it.
My braids. It's pretty.
Her braids were frozen.
It's pretty kind of, pretty cool. Cause my face got red. Now let's change it back to orange.
Yep. All right, let's hit the road. Look at guys, snowing a lot. A lot. I think it's even snowing worse here. Absolutely beautiful. Okay guys, so we came over here to this little park we always come to in Twainhart, and it is snowing, but it's not sticking, so it's making puddles like everywhere. He just jumped in that puddle and got up there, and now I can't get him down. Don't go over there, Ozzy. Ozzy, that's water, honey. Come here. Look how beautiful this is. So pretty. Heck, beautiful.